As the day fades, the night sky, with the presence of these twinkling stars, begins to draw us in. It is a different story in cities and large metropolises, where due to light pollution, these stars now seem to be getting lost in the sky. However, far away from the cities, in villages and towns, these countless stars can still be seen twinkling in the night sky today. From Earth, they may all look identical, but in reality, they exist in different sizes and types. Currently, the system used to classify these stars is known as the Morgan-Keenan, or MK system. This system was introduced in 1943 by William Wilson Morgan, Philip C. Keenan, and Edith Kellman. Under this system, all stars are arranged in a sequence from the hottest to the coolest using the letters O, B, A, F, G, K, and M. Each letter is further subdivided with numbers from 0 to 9, ranging from the hottest to the coolest star within that specific letter class. Beyond this classical system, the sequence has been further expanded to include classes D, S, and C for other distinct types of stars, such as white dwarfs and carbon stars. In the upcoming episodes of this stellar classification series, we will dive deep into each of these star classes to understand how they differ from one another. To follow this series, subscribe to the channel right now, and if you are watching on Instagram or Facebook, be sure to follow.